Lauderdale West, 55 plus, the only 3 halves west/garage. Move-in ready home. Highly sought after split bedroom model, new roof 2019, kitchen and baths updated, hurricane impact window brand new install 2022, extra family room from original builder, double driveway, quiet street, free community bus, excellent, active clubhouse west/mini activities, 2 pools, tennis, pool tables/billiards/woodwork shop/library/professor shows and more. Association fees cover outside painting, roof replacement, basic cable, internet, pest control, and lawn maintenance. This is an adult community. 20% minimum down required.